Now, I will show you some tips and basic knowledge as shortcut keys in AutoCAD. So to apply those shortcut keys, I'll be using this image as a model.
First tip, if you would copy an existing model, look for an element that is easier to start with. For example, in this image, this line has its exact coordinates for each endpoint, and it can be a good start. So to create this line, click this line button. You can simply type L, then press Enter. The cursor with instructions will automatically appear. It states that you have to enter the specific x coordinate of the first point, and according to our model, the first pair is 4 and 1.1. To apply it in AutoCAD, press 4, then comma, press 1.1, and that's it. We now have our first point. Next would be the second point with its coordinates 4.5 and 2.2. You may encounter some problems if you just type this point because these coordinates will be added to your first coordinate. So to avoid that cases, you must add number sign before the x coordinate of the second point. By applying it, press number sign and the x coordinate 4.5, then comma, type 2.2. There, we now have our first line. Going to our second line, according to our model, second line has its length 2.3 and a horizontal line, meaning it is parallel to the x-axis and has 0 degrees. In AutoCAD, it can be done in two ways. First, move the line until a green line that is parallel to our x-axis appears. Then, press the length 2.3 and enter. Also, we can just type the length 2.3, then use an angle bracket for less than sign and enter the angle 0 degrees. That's it. So, moving to our next line, we have here another line with the length of 1.4 and was inclined for about 150 degrees from the previous line. So for this case, I will give you another tip, that is to review some angle properties such as reference angle, coterminals, and the standard form of an angle, since it would help you a lot. Going back to our given, we have length of 1.4 and this angle 150 degrees with its standard form of 30 degrees or coterminal of negative 330 degrees. You can use either of the two. Press its length 1.4, then the less than sign plus 30. Okay, so you just need to apply your learnings for the remaining lines. Second to the last line, the given measurements are negative 120 degrees from the positive x-axis and its ordinate 1.1. So first, we will put the angle negative 120 and enter. You will notice that the line we had created varies its length on how we move the cursor, yet its angle does not change. So applying the other given measurement, which is its ordinate 1.1, we will drag the cursor until a line that can connect the endpoints and it's parallel to the x-axis appears. Then click the point to lock it. And for the last line, we just connect the two endpoints and that's it. So next, we will proceed in annotating. So first, we will apply linear dimensions or the measurement of the length of the lines. First, click the dimension button, then click the endpoints of the line that you wanted to measure and drag it for additional spaces from the figure. Next, the angular measurement. In Annotate tab, click this drop-down button and search for the angular model, and now we are ready for annotations. So to use this, click the two lines to measure its area and drag again for spaces. Lastly, we will annotate the coordinates of some points. Go to Annotate tab, click the drop-down button, and search for ordinate model. So to know the x-coordinate of a point, click the point and drag vertically. While for y-coordinate, click the point and drag sidewards.